Here I have Nokia T10, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open Files application, so you can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some images. Could be this one. So to select it, you have to hold down your finger on it, and when it's selected, tap on the three dots here, then select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy, then select SD card, and then pick any folder you like. Could be pictures for me. Tap copy here, and now you have this image on your SD card. So we just go to files, scroll down, go to SD card, and here I have this image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.